You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I've been thinking about you all the time, but that's alright. I'm starting to get used to it, think I'll survive. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing something super fun. I'm going to be filming a super simple laundry room makeover for me and for you guys to get some inspiration to kind of try and jazz up cheaply your laundry room space that you have. Most of the things that I'm going to be decorating in the laundry room with and hanging up are going to be things that I found from around the house. There's going to be a green plant that you guys are probably going to notice from my master bedroom. I'm just taking it from my master and swapping it into the laundry room. Simple things like that. There's also going to be a couple of DIY projects that I'm putting in there. And then some of the other stuff is going to be actually purchased from the store. So I'm really excited. I've been anticipating this video. My name is Crissy Marie and I would love it if you subscribed. If you're not already, if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back you guys. I always appreciate you. I'm kind of hoping that this video goes quick because I kind of smell some poop whipping around somewhere. So I'm guessing one of the babies pooped. I'm assuming it wasn't Shook because she's been potty trained for the past couple of weeks. So hold on, let me see. Who pooped? Normally if it's Layla she goes me, but I'm pretty sure it's her because Shukri doesn't poop in her pants. Anyways, and it's close to being dinner time and VPR is coming on tonight and I definitely need to get in my puke and rally tonight. That starts at 9 and it's 6 o'clock right now. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, please give me a big thumbs up. Again, if this is your first time checking out my channel, please consider subscribing. I'm gonna go a little bit slow because I am 8.5 months pregnant and I have 2 Rugrats running around. So please bear with me. I'm gonna speed up the video and just show you guys what I do to jazz up my laundry room. Keep watching and enjoy. My laundry room now, there's a whole bunch of junk up there that doesn't belong up there that I just kind of stuck up there when we first moved in. I keep a lot of the supplies on the floor and sometimes this tray will be on top of the dryer right here and I just don't like that. It's a small little laundry room, but I want to revamp it so when I come in to do laundry I'll be excited about this space and it'll be some, you know, give me something to do that I get excited to do. I already kind of get excited doing laundry. I want it to be refreshing and someplace I can just go and get my laundry done. I mean, we all know that feeling, right guys?
You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I've been thinking about you all the time, but that's alright. I'm starting to get used to it, think I'll survive. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the to do. I'm just staring at my walls and talking to myself now and then. I'll try to laugh but I'll cry a bit as well. I was never any good at being away from you. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the I met you in the still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I met you in the summer. When you left it was cold. Said we loved one another. Guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer. Our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you. I'm so alone. I met you in the We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me alone. You and me alone. Inside of our embassy. Everything we need's right here. Make me sing along. Sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here. We got everything, moonlight on your naked skin. Summer's blind us to giving. Where you wanna go? Where you wanna
Okay, you guys, so this is it, minus the banana that Shook just came and put in here. The only thing that I bought for this simple laundry room makeover were these 2 plastic bins from Target for $5 each. And everything else I just had laying around the house. These were a part of a DIY. They originally came with, they're from a yard sale. There was a set of 3, but for some reason I can't find the other one. I was going to use them in my pantry when we first moved in, but I didn't use them. So they've been sitting around and I found a perfect use for them for the laundry room. They came with a brass lid, a kind of like rusty brass lid that I just spray painted with Krylon Color Max paint and primer for $1.99 at Lowe's. I bought a few cans of these because I am in the middle of doing DIYs for my baby shower, and I took some wool balls and put them in here. These are really good for cutting down on your drying time, and they freshen up your clothes. Some people will take some essential oils, lavenders or lemons or whatever they have, and put them a couple of drops on the wool ball, and then just take the wool ball and throw it in the dryer with their clothes. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to use it to cut down on my drying time. And then I took some Downy's Unstoppables and put them in here along with the lid. Don't throw the lid away because you can use that lid still to measure everything out, and plus it's still cute. The lids always match the color of the beads. And then I took this that was in my Easter 3-tier tray that I did a DIY with you guys, and I took that out of there. This was also in there. This is from the Target Dollar Spot, and I took this out of the 3-tier tray and put some clothespins in there because most of the girls' clothes I hang dry, so these are always good to have. And then if you remember this big plant, this is usually on the side of my husband's nightstand, and I just took it from there and put it up here, and then I put it on a wicker charger or a wooden charger, I don't know what it's called. And this I had laying around somewhere in the house. This was also on my husband's side. He's actually coming home tomorrow, so he will kind of clear off his side of his nightstand because he likes to put, you know, his phone and his watches and all that stuff, paperwork and stuff on there, so that's not going to be a big deal. He's not going to be missing anything. Like I said, these 2 bins from Target for $5. This was above my refrigerator. This I got many moons ago from a yard sale for I think $3. This here, I already had this. I think I want to maybe this weekend spray paint it a different color because that black is just kind of standing out like a sore thumb. But yeah, this is just my mini laundry room makeover. Super excited I did it. I'm gonna be excited to do a load of laundry after Vanderpump tonight when the girls are sleeping and just come in here and relax while I am doing some laundry. Whew, I'm out of breath. 13 days to go. Ugh, I cannot wait. We are all anticipating new baby girl's arrival. I hope you enjoy this simple laundry room makeover. There is this wall next to me that I didn't really do anything with because I actually need that stuff to stay there. It's super convenient, like my broom and my dustpan is right there. And I hung those up when we first moved in with nails. So that's definitely staying there. Okay, baby girls are crying. Yeah, I hope you guys really enjoy this simple DIY makeover. And you guys can just go through your home and jazz up any kind of space you have with things that are already laying around in your house. Or yard sale stuff, Goodwill stuff, anything you can find. I'm doing a DIY on my baby shower here soon, so stick around for that. Again, please give me a big thumbs up and we will see you guys next time. Bye.